Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're interested to see how to fold towels, bathroom towels, like they do at the hotel, or as if you're at the spa, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V. Today I'm participating in a challenge. It's called the DIY Decorating Fall and Glam Towels 2019 collaboration that's being hosted by Diva Decorating, Mysterious Alberta, and Cynthia Shesobless. And what I'm showing you here is a tour or sneak peek of my guest bathroom. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I fold towels like they do at the hotel and like they do at the spa. So right here, I'm just showing you different ways that I have folded my towels. This is one right here. And as you can see, my bathroom is black and white. I'm in love with black and white. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how I folded my towels like they do at the hotel. I'm going to take this hand towel, just lay it out flat, then I'm going to fold it up, then back to create a little pocket. Again, up and back. And I'm going to hold those two folds and flip it over. Fold it over. Then I'm going to take that bottom fold and tuck it under the top fold to create this little pocket. Then I'll flip it over and then you'll have something like this. A little pocket. Then I'm going to take a face towel and fold it back and forth like a fan. Actually, I'm going to redo this, but I'll go ahead and let you see where I had to redo it, because that's what my channel is about, real life. Sometimes you have to redo things, especially if you don't like the way it turned out. I didn't like that fold because it didn't really look like a fan. So I didn't like the way that looked, so I'm going to redo it here. I don't like that. Let's take that out and redo it. I'm going to do smaller folds so it can actually look like a fan. I got this idea off YouTube. There we go. Have more folds now. And that's it. Thank you, Alberta, Cynthia, and Diva Decorating. I had fun participating in this challenge. It's cute, huh?